Hi, internet friends. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to remove shoulder pads from this leather jacket. This is a vintage Escada leather jacket made in 80s. You can see this strong shoulder. So it's so massive. I'm going to remove them and give this jacket a updated look. Let's get started. These are tools needed: a seam ripper, needle, thread, and a scissor. First, turn the leather jacket inside out. Now the leather jacket is inside out. As you can see, the big shoulder pads, one is here and another is here. In order to take shoulder pads from here, I'm going to open the lining from the sleeve, and there are two seams on the sleeve. One is here, another one is under the arm. I will choose the seam under the arm and choose open from here. So I pick this left arm. So this is the hole opened from the seam, and I can see the leather now. Now I'm trying to put one of my hands. Now the hole is big enough so I can put my hand in the sleeve, and until on the shoulder I found the big shoulder pads, and take from here out. Now we can see these big shoulder pads. It's we just need to disconnect it from the shoulder. Look at that. Okay, look at this. So we can tuck this shoulder in again. So this is without shoulder pads. In order to take these shoulder pads, we don't need to open another hole. Instead, we use the same hole. Put my hand in. And come all the way this side. Find the shoulder pads and pull out. And disconnect it. Another out. Tuck back. Okay. Both sides taken out now. Now it's time to stitch the opened seam together. This is the final results. I have removed the 80s big shoulder pads from this leather jacket, so the shoulder looks softer. I can even put a jacket over this leather jacket. Before we finish, I have a final warning, and because this shoulder pad has been moved away, this leather piece may lose the support and become wrinkled. It's a disadvantage of this taking away this shoulder pads, but it's up to your preference. For me, I prefer have a softer shoulder so I can wear this leather jacket more. I don't mind have a little folding or wrinkles here and here. Okay, hopefully you enjoyed this video, and if you do, please give a thumbs up. Until next video, bye.